Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial, and in today's episode we are going to see about Product Studio, an app inside Canva. So how this app is going to help us? It is going to take your photos to the next level. Your product photos will be taken to a next level by adding beautiful backgrounds the way we explain in the app. So without wasting much time, let us start it. So for that, first go to the Canva platform and then click on create a design, and then we are going to create a poster, for example. So we are going to create it. Now here it is, we have got a blank template, and I'm going to the app, the 9 dotted area, which is for apps. So when you click on the apps, so you can search here Product Studio. So I'm going to write Product Studio here. Yes, it has come. Click on it. Now the topmost one, Product Studio, just click on it. So this app does not ask you to sign up or sign in or moving away from Canva. It is within Canva, so you don't have to worry about anything. It is very user friendly. Now let me tell you, first is we have to choose a file of your product. So I've got one of the product of mine stored here, a laptop. So I'm clicking it to choose the file. Now it is chosen. Now I need to write the description of the background. So laptop in a beach and sunrise, and I can write whatever I want, right? Beautiful clouds. So let us see how it is generating. So it will take a bit of time for you to generate. Here we go, it's done. Let us see. Here it is. Now let me make it bigger size. See how beautifully it has given the product, that is my laptop, in a beautiful background. Now let us add one more page and let us see and describe the background here. Laptop in a desert with palm trees. Yes, let us write. So again, we need to wait for the AI to generate the product and its background. Here we go. Let's wait. Here it is. See how this has given the palm trees. Anyways, see here, this is how the second one created. Now let us go for another one. Laptop in you can write blue sky with stars and moon. We can say, instead of blue, we can say dark blue, so that the stars and moon will be visible. So let's see what it offers. See how beautifully it has provided us our laptop in a beautiful background. So this is how we can actually promote our product in a beautiful background. For example, if you want to promote a sofa set, you can add on sofa set in my living room or in any living room. So it will place that product sofa set in a proper living room and will show you the clear picture how this will look in a living room. So that is all for today, and I hope you found this useful. If so, click the button like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. And thank you for watching.